You know what a bad way to wake up on a Sunday would be? That would be a bad way to wake up on a Sunday. So apparently they were working on their car and their horn just won't stop beeping. Beep. What did you get? Breakfast, it's lunch. Hi, Luke. Good luck. Go. Poor dog. Come on, Luke. This is like Fight Club. Look at all the dogs. They're so happy. I swear they used to know each other. All right, you guys have fun. Get quiet before the game. No test. Alright guys, it's time for that thing that we are not going to talk about to happen. And Luke's over here, found a bone.
Time to be here, my man, Luke.
Luke wore out all the other dogs though. Here's Tess, Lily, and then Toby's the only one up. I'll see you guys in about 3 hours. Good news, guys. Do you want to tell me good news?
I wouldn't use
Stop. I'm going to tell you.
That was my idea.
It wasn't your idea, it was my idea.
It was my idea.
It was my idea. Falcons won. Very close game. It's kind of scary. And now what I'm doing is this. I've got 2 football games and toes and racing on right now. This is how the day is going to go for the rest of the time. Hope you guys enjoy football. Bye. Mondays, they always come, don't they? Yes, they do. Don't worry though, I have things to counter this Monday. I've got an amp, energy drinks, no good for you, and red shoes. Red shoes make everyone happy, right? We're about to be on our way. I got this nice big cooler to bring.